Here we are back with the Amazon Fire 7. You can see over on the left hand side we've got something interesting blinking away, and that's a genuine Arduino Uno board. Now, Arduino development on one of these little tablets via the ArduinoDroid app is slightly finicky, I must say, but it is doable depending on how much it's going to drive you insane having to upload things a couple of times. I've still got the ads on my device. I'm just going to unlock it, and you'll see I've got a minimal setup here. I'm using Eevee as my launcher with the launcher hack that can be done. You can't probably see on the camera that tiny little light icon at the top, but that's the ArduinoDroid icon, and there it is. And you'll see the sketch that's currently loaded to the board is a slightly faster flashing version of the Arduino Hello World blink sketch. So if we go into the sketchbook and open up one of the examples, and go to the basic blink sketch, which blinks 1 second on, 1 second off. See here it has the code you'd expect if you're familiar with these Arduino setups. Now, in this app, you have to compile everything first before you take it and send it over the serial to your board. So there we go, we've compiled that up. And let's see if the board will go. If this works, the blink rate on the board on the left-hand side will become much slower, about 1 time a second. So let's upload that. It's transmitting. And there we go, that's worked first time. It doesn't always work first time, but it seems to have gone for it this time. It's flashing up an error about the Google Play Store. It wants me to buy the non-ad supported version of this app. I'm not entirely sure why it wants to do that, but support the software, I say. So if you like this, of course, feel free to take the ad-free version. So let's go back to the sketchbook, open a recent sketch, which was my test sketch, which blinks much more quickly. And we'll just go up here again, compile that up, and send it over to the board and check whether that works. You'll see it's transmitting, receiving. And now our blink rate's much faster. So there you go, the Fire 7, tiny little tablet, but with USB on the go, completely capable as a mobile Arduino development platform. Very good for when you're out and about. You know, you can see yourself in a coffee shop, having a fun time, doing a bit of coding, plugging in a breadboard, plugging in an Arduino, and then chucking it all in your bag, and you don't have to carry your laptop around.